Hello kids, and today we're gonna learn about the savanna animals, and we also have here the farm animals. We have giraffe and we have a cow puzzles. So let's start. Oh, where did they go? We don't have animals and we don't have also puzzles. So let's find, but we have those colorful crayons. We have blue crayon, we have yellow, we have red, we have brown, we have orange, we have green, and we have pink crayon. So let's start. Let's pick our first crayon, and the first one gonna be the orange one. So let's shake and open it. Wow, so many things we have here. We have puzzles and we have animal. So let's start with the animal. So the first animal that we have is zebra, and it has those black stripes. Great. And let's think where we can place on the board. Maybe we can place it here. No, we need to find a similar shape. You see, maybe it goes like this. Yes, great. We found our first puzzle. So let's go with the puzzle pieces. So here we have the corner puzzle piece. And here we have the red sun, and maybe it's a giraffe. Maybe. So let's try to place right now this puzzle here, right? And the next one, we have the farm, you can see, and it's also corner puzzle piece. So let's place it here, right? And let's turn around, and here we have, I think it's a body of the cow. It's a white with black dots. Okay, so let's at the moment place it here, right? And then later we can move. Okay, so the next crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be the red one crayon. Let's shake and let's open. Wow, so we have the animal and we have two puzzle pieces. So let's turn around the animal. Who it is? It's a lion, and lions are roaring, and lions are called king of the savannah. Okay, let's think where we can fit this lion. And I think this lion could go maybe here. No, we need to find the same shape as the lion. So maybe let's try here. It seems like that. Yes, it's fitted so well, the line in the shape, that we completed already two savanna animals. So let's go with our puzzle pieces. So here we have first puzzle piece. And who is this? You know it. It's a cow, because it's white with black, and it's also the tail. And let's place somewhere here on this board. And I already can see that here we have the part of the farm animal. So we can connect this part with this one, like this. Great. Okay, and maybe let's try to turn around this and place it like that. Great, we've combined three puzzles. Here we have the ear of the cow, and here we have a tail, and here we have the farm. Great, let's take the next one. Maybe it's a giraffe. We don't know. Okay, and here we have the grass and the tree. And we have yellow body part of the giraffe, and here is the leg. So it's a corner puzzle piece. So we can place somewhere in a corner, right? So I think it should go right here in the left bottom corner. Great. Let's take the next crayon. It's gonna be the brown one, and let's shake it and open it. Wow, so many things here. Okay. We have two animals, 1 and 2, but maybe it's not an animal, maybe it's actually 3. Okay, we're gonna find out. And here we have 3 puzzles, 1, 2, and 3. So let's start with animals. So let's turn around this animal. Wow, and who is that big and brown with horns? It's a yak. Okay, and where we can place the yak? We can place somewhere here because it's big. No, we need to find the same shape as the yak, you see? So let's find, maybe it's this one. Maybe we should turn around? No, I think it should go here. Let's try. Yes, it goes pretty well. And here we have a savanna tree, you see? So let's turn around. Yes, it's a savanna tree. So let's maybe try to place it somewhere here. No, we need to find the same shape, you see? So it's big at the top and it's small at the bottom. So this one is looks similar. Small at the bottom and big on the top. Yes, great. And here we have 3 puzzle pieces. So let's turn around first one. And here we have the legs of the cow. So let's take this puzzle piece and place it maybe here at the moment and see where we can place it later, right? Let's take the next one. Okay, and here we have the horn of the cow. You see, and the ear and 2 apples. So here is the ear and here is the ear. So let's maybe combine. Great. And let's move these legs of the cow here, like this. Great. And let's take the next puzzle piece. And the next puzzle piece gonna be the giraffe. You can see here is the eyes of the giraffe and here is the ears. And it's a yellow color. Great. So let's maybe see where we can combine. And here's the second ear of the giraffe. So we can combine like this. Great. Well done. So let's continue with our puzzle adventure. And the next crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be the yellow one. So let's shake and open. Great. We have animal and we have 3 puzzle pieces. 1, 2, and 3. Great. Okay, let's take this puzzle piece and turn around. Oh, it's the legs of the cow. Great. And let's try to place it in a corner, like this. Well done. Let's turn around the next one. And it's the legs of the giraffe. Let's combine with this one. Great. Let's take the next one, turn around. And here we have the tree and the part of the giraffe. So maybe we should turn around like this and combine with this part of the tree. Great, we almost completed this puzzle. And let's take the animal. And who that is? What do you think? Let's turn around. It's a leopard. And it's yellow with the circles on top of it. Great. Let's see where we can place the leopard. And first, let's look at the shape, right? So we can place this leopard. I think it should go here. Let's try. Okay. Great. Well done. Amazing. We already found 4 animals. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1 savanna tree. Great. Let's pick the next crayon. And the next crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be the green one. Let's shake and let's open. Wow, so many puzzle pieces here. Okay, let's start with the animal. So here we have the animal and let's turn around like this. Who is that is? It's a rhino. Great. And where we can place the rhino? I think we can place the rhino maybe here. No, it's too small for this one. So maybe it could go here. Great. You're doing so well. Let's take the next one, puzzle pieces. So the next puzzle pieces we have, let's turn around. Oh, it's a mouth and nose of the cow. Great. Let's take this and let's place it right here. Great. We only need 2 puzzle pieces to complete the cow animal puzzle. Great. Let's turn around this one. And here we can see that there is the eye of the cow and horn of the cow. And it's a corner puzzle piece. So where we should place it? Here or here? I think it should go here because there we can see the eyes of the cow. Great. Well done. Let's take the next one. And who we have in the next one? We have the giraffe. And we have yellow body part and we also have the neck. And here is the head of the giraffe. And where we should place the neck? Yes, it should go here. That's why we're gonna combine all this together, like that. Great. And let's go with the next crayons. And the next crayons that we have is blue and pink one. Which one should we go with? Let's go with the pink one and let's open it. Okay, and here we have two animals. We have first and the second one. And we also have two puzzle pieces, 1 and 2. Okay, what we should start with gonna be the animals. So let's turn around. And who we have here? Here we have the giraffe. And here we also have a giraffe. You see? It's the same. Great. But we need to place this giraffe on this board. And where we can place it? You see it has like a really long neck. And the shape is big here, but small here. And here you can see at the top it's small, and here is the big. Okay, let's do it. Great, well done. And let's take our next animal. And the next animal that we have is the elephant mama and baby elephant. Wow, great. We have two animals, two elephants here. Great. And where we can place this? It's a really big animal puzzle piece. I think it should go here, right? It's the same shape. Great. Let's do it. Amazing. So let's take our next puzzle pieces. So let's open this one. Let's turn around. And who we have here? Here we have the giraffe, mouth and neck, and also the trees. So let's maybe try to place this here. Great. And let's turn around the next one. And it's a corner puzzle piece. Okay, and who we have here? And we have here the chick, right? And where we can place the chick? On a cow or in a giraffe puzzle piece? I think it should go in a cow, because here you can see we have a yellow bell, and here is the yellow bell, right? So when the cow goes, it kind of rings, so the farm workers know where the cow is. Okay, we're gonna place. Great, amazing, and we only need 2 puzzle pieces for the giraffe. So let's take our last crayon and let's shake. Open. Great. And who we have here? Let's see, we have animal, and it is monkey with a tail. Great. And monkeys love to jump, and then they also love bananas. Okay, and where we can place this monkey? And we only have left with 1 place. Okay, maybe let's try here. Great, we've completed our savannah board. We found all the animals, and we also found the savannah tree. Great job. So let's take the next puzzle pieces. Let's turn. And what we have here is the leg of the giraffe, and the grass and flowers. And you can see that this one also, there is part of the leg, so we can place it like this. Great. And the next one puzzle piece we have is butterfly, and another butterfly. And you can see here that we have another piece of butterfly, so it's gonna connect like this. Let's try. Great. We've completed the giraffe puzzle, the cow puzzle, and the savannah puzzle. We found the leopard, we found the monkey, we found the lion, we found the yak, we found the zebra, we found the rhino, we found the baby elephant and mama elephant, we found savannah tree, and we found the giraffe. We also completed the giraffe puzzle, so we have here the butterfly, the sun, the red butterfly, the giraffe, the flowers, and the tree. And on this puzzle we have cow, the tree, 2 apples, the yellow apple and the red apple. We also have the farm right here, and here we have the chick. Great, well done. We've done this amazingly fast. See you in the next video. Hello kids, and today we're gonna solve the ostrich puzzle. Let's start. And look who we have. We have the Mr. Pig, who's gonna help us. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do, what we're gonna do, Mr. Pig? Yes, we're gonna turn around these puzzle pieces and try to find the ostrich. So let's do our first cube. Okay, so let's turn around and Mr. Pig gonna help us. Let's turn around and can you see the... Oh, okay, here is the leg of the ostrich. Okay, we found the first one. And let's continue with the next one. And let's try to look for the ostrich. And who is that? Yes, that's the ostrich. Great, we found another puzzle. And Mr. Pig gonna help us to find the puzzle number 3. Okay, which one should we take, Mr. Pig? This one. Great. And let's rotate and see if there is the ostrich. And here it is. Great. We found another puzzle piece of the ostrich. Great. So then let's take this puzzle piece, right, Mr. Pig? Yes, and then let's rotate. Where could be the ostrich? Can you see the ostrich? Please let me know if you see the ostrich. Yes, this is the ostrich. Great. Let's continue by searching the ostrich. Let's take this puzzle piece and rotate and see if there is the ostrich. Let's look closely. Let's ask Mr. Pig if this image belongs to ostrich. Yes, it belongs. So we're gonna take to our puzzle board and let's take the next one and rotate and see if there is the maybe some kind of wings or something, the part of the ostrich. And let's turn around and yes, here it is, you see the feathers of the ostrich. Great. We only left with 3 puzzles. So let's turn around and see. I think it's this one. What do you think? Should we take this, Mr. Pig? Yes, we should take this to our puzzle board. Great. And let's take the next one and rotate and see if there is the feathers of the ostrich. Or maybe the leg or maybe the face. Something that we can take to our puzzle board. It seems that this is from the ostrich puzzle. What do you think, Mr. Pig? And Mr. Pig examining the puzzle. Yes, this is from the ostrich puzzle. Great. And we have the last one. And let's rotate and see if there is some kind of image of the ostrich, right? What do you think, Mr. Pig? Is this one? Yes. So we found all our puzzles for the ostrich. But what should we do next, Mr. Pig? The next thing that we should do, we should start with the face. So with this one, right? We're gonna start with this one and we're gonna try to find other piece. So it's gonna be this and we should combine them together. And then we have also the legs, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine them together like this. Okay. And next one. Okay, we found 3. Great. So here we need like a body of the ostrich. So let's take maybe this one. Does it work? Maybe let's rotate. Maybe like this. Great. And then we need the neck of the ostrich. So it could be like this. And then we can connect our head to the body. Great. And we are left with 2 puzzle pieces. Okay, so we have this one and this one. Great. We've completed the ostrich puzzle. See you in the next video. Hello kids, and today we're gonna play the puzzle and we're gonna try to solve it. And look who we have. we have Mr. Pig that's gonna help us to solve this kangaroo puzzle. So let's start. First thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna mix those puzzles, right? So we have this. Okay, so to complete this puzzle, first thing that we need to take the cube, let's say this one, and we need to rotate till we see that maybe the leg of kangaroo, maybe the face of kangaroo, right? So some kind of the part of the kangaroo. So for example, this one. Here we have the foot of the kangaroo. Great. So let's take the next one. Okay, and let's rotate and see what we have here, right? So let's look for that. And we have here the belly of the kangaroo. Great. So we are not gonna try right now to combine those puzzles together. We're just gonna try to find them. So this is the first that we found. So let's go with the next one. Okay, so is this a kangaroo? What do you think? I think no. Is this a kangaroo? No. Mr. Pig, what do you think? Is this maybe the part of the kangaroo that we need? Yes. Great. So let's take this puzzle piece and let's move it right here on the side. And let's continue with the next one. And let's rotate these puzzle pieces and see if we can find the kangaroo. And if we can't find the kangaroo, then we're gonna ask the Mr. Pig to help us. This seems to be pretty difficult to find. Where's the kangaroo? Maybe this is the part of the kangaroo puzzle. What do you think, Mr. Pig? Yes, great. Let's take this. And next one, Mr. Pig gonna help us. Okay. Which one? This one, Mr. Pig? Yes, we found another one puzzle piece. Amazing. So we already found 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. And let's take the next one. And what we have here? Let's try to find the kangaroo. Okay, this is the baby kangaroo, right? So it goes to our puzzle pile. And we only left with 3 ones that we need to examine. So we need to rotate them and see if there is the kangaroo. Who is that? Is this a kangaroo mama? Yes, this is kangaroo mama. Correct. Great. And let's take the next one and see. Is this the ear of the kangaroo mama? What do you think, guys? Yes, right. Let's take this to our puzzles. And we have the last one. And Mr. Pig, what do you think of the last one? Where is the kangaroo puzzle? This one. Great. So we're gonna take this one to our puzzle board. And what we have here is the puzzle pieces of the kangaroo. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the face, right? So the next one, we're gonna see there is the neck, right? So we need to connect face with the neck. So let's do it. Great, we just connected 2 puzzle pieces. And after this, we have the ear. And here we have the ear, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this together and connect like this. Amazing. And then let's take the next one. Which one we should take? I think it could be this one. So here's the baby kangaroo and here's the belly, right? It's called like a pocket. Great. And what we can do next is the legs, the foot, right? So we have the left foot and the right foot. So let's combine like this. Amazing. And the next one, again, I think it's a leg. Yes, and here is the tree house. And here is the bird, and I think it's from the tree house. Let's try it. Yes, amazing. And we have the last one. And where do you think we should place the last one? Yes, exactly. We should place the last one right here. So here we have the tail of the kangaroo. And here's the left leg, left foot, and right leg. Here is the baby kangaroo, the mama kangaroo, the bird, and the house of the kangaroos. Great, well done. See you in the next video. And today we're gonna learn about wild animals. And we also gonna learn about the panda and solve the panda puzzle. And also we're gonna learn about the numbers. Look how many colorful fishes we have. Let's start. Oh, where did the animals go? And we don't have puzzles, but we have beautiful crayons. So let's start and let's pick the first crayon. So we have blue, green, pink, orange, brown, yellow and red. And let's pick the orange one. And let's shake and open. Wow, here we have the cube, the fish, and the wild animal. Okay, let's start with the wild animal. So who we have here? This is mama elephant and this is baby elephant. Okay, let's look at the board where we can place this puzzle piece. You see, it's really huge and big. And there is one place. Can you see it? Yes, correct. We can place it right here. Great. And let's look at our fish. So this is red fish and this is number 3. Great. And let's place the fish here. And we need to find other numbers and learn about them. So here, what we need to find here is panda. And let's rotate the cube. Can you see the panda? Maybe the part of the panda, right? Here is the eye of the panda and the butterfly. Great. Let's place our cube here. So we need to find more pieces to complete all the puzzles. So let's open the next crayon. And the next crayon that we're gonna open gonna be the yellow one. Let's shake and open. Great. And what we have here is fishes, the cube, and the wild animal. And this is the leopard, the wild animal in savannah. And let's look where we can place this wild animal on this board. Can you see? So we can maybe place it here. No. Maybe here. No. Here is the place for our wild animal. Great. Well done. And then let's pick our cube and fishes. So here is our cube and fishes. So this is the fish number 8. And this is the fish number 1. So let's place our fishes here. Here's 1. We need 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great. Okay. So let's look at this cube and let's try to find the panda. Can you see the panda? Maybe the part of the panda or something. This seems to be like a cube from the panda puzzle, but we don't know yet. So maybe let's right now just place it near to the next one. And the next crayon that we're gonna open gonna be the blue one. Okay, let's shake and let's try again. And we have many things here, but we need to, yes, great. So what we have here is the savannah tree. Great, and let's look where we can put it. So we have a lot of shapes here, and where do you think we should put our savannah tree? Yes, you're right, we should place it here, like this. Great, and then let's look at our fish. Which number it is? It is number 9. Great. Let's take our fish and see. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after 8, it's number 9. And it's a blue color fish. And here we have the cube. And let's look if we have the panda. Okay. So here is the ear of the panda and bamboo that panda is eating. Okay, let's place this maybe here at the moment. Great. And let's keep going. Let's open the next crayon. And the next crayon we're gonna open gonna be the brown one. Let's shake. What we have? Oh, we have many things here actually. We have two wild animals. So let's start with the first one. So this one is zebra. It has like a black stripes. Okay, and where we can place the zebra? Can you see the shape of the zebra? Here is the shape of the zebra. Let's try, and great, well done. And then let's pick this one wild animal. Do you know the name of this wild animal? Yes, it's a rhino. Great. Let's pick the rhino and find the place. Here is the place for the rhino. Let's place it like this, and amazing, well done. And then what we have here is two cubes and the fish. So let's turn the fish, and this is the fish that has number 5. So let's go through and let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We need to find other fishes to complete the numbers. And let's look at the cubes. And can you see there is the panda maybe somewhere? Can you see it? Let me rotate. Can you see the panda? Yes, it is here. Here's the paw of the panda, and panda is holding the bamboo. So let's at the moment place here, right? And then later we're gonna complete this puzzle. So let's rotate. Do you see the panda? Maybe part of the panda, or the paw of the panda, or maybe the leg of the panda, or maybe the hand of the panda. Yes, here is the paw of the panda. Great, we found another one. Amazing. So let's keep going and opening these beautiful crayons. And the next crayon that we're gonna open gonna be the red one. Let's shape, and wow, we have many things here. So what we have here is the giraffe, and look how long neck he has, and look how huge he is. Great. Let's take the giraffe. Can you see the shape where we can place the giraffe? Maybe here, or maybe here, or maybe here, or maybe here. Yes, correct. We can place the giraffe here. Great, well done. And then we have two new numbers. So here we have the number 6. This is the number 6, and this is the number 10. So where do you think we should place the number 6 and number 10? Can you see the place? So 5, and after 5 it goes 6, and then after 9 it goes number 10, and it's a purple color, and number 6 is pink color. Great. Let's go to our cubes. So what we have here is we need to find the panda, or maybe bamboo. Is it that the bamboo? Correct, it's a bamboo. Let's take this puzzle piece and place it here, and then let's go back and try to find any hint for the panda. There is the panda. Can you see? Yes, here is the head of the panda with the ear and bamboo. Let's take it and place it here. Great. Let's open the next crayons, and the next crayons that we're gonna open gonna be the pink and the green one. Okay, let's take pink, shake, open. Great. And what we have here is two wild animals. So this is the animal, you know the name, it's lion. And lion do the roars, and lion is the king. Okay, where we can place the lion? Can you see? Maybe here, here, or here. Where do you think? Yes, we can place the lion right here. Well done. And then let's take our next one, and this is the wild animal that's called yak. Okay, where we can place the wild animal? That's called yak. Here or here? This one or this one? Yes, correct. We can place the wild animal right here. Amazing. Well done. And then we have two fishes and the cube. Okay, so let's look through the fishes. So here we have number 2, and here we have number 7. So where we can place the number 2 and number 7? Can you see? 1, and then next one goes number 2. Amazing. And then 3, 4, 5, 6. And what number we have here? What we need to? You know it, you know the name? Number 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. And then we have a cube. Let's try to find any hint for the panda. Let's try to find the panda. Can you see maybe ear of the panda or something? Here's the ear of the panda. Great, well done. Let's place this to our panda puzzle that we need still to complete. And then let's open the next crayon, the last one, the green one. Let's shake. And oh, so many things we have here. So here we have the wild animal. It's called, you know the name? It's called monkey. Wow. And what monkey loves? Bananas. So we only have one place where we can put our monkey. And it is here. Well done. And then let's look at our number. So here we have the number 4. And it's a green fish. Okay, where we can place the number 4? Can you see? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And let's look for our cube. And let's try to find the panda. Yes, here is the panda. Let's take the panda and place to our puzzle piece. Okay, so we need to complete this puzzle. So let's start with the panda face. So here we have the face. We need a head with the ear, like this. And then we need another ear. It could go like this. And then here's eye, the left eye of the panda. Great. So then we need the legs and the body. So here we have left leg and the right leg. So if we're gonna move them here together and stack, great. So then we need this side. Okay, so let's think where we can place them. So here we have the right ear. Here we have the bamboo, right? That what pandas are eating. And then we have another one, the grass and the small part of the right leg of the panda. Great, we've completed this puzzle really quick. You're doing amazing. So we completed the wild animal board. So we have leopard, the monkey, the lion, the rhino, the zebra, the yak, the mama elephant, baby elephant, savannah tree, and the giraffe. Well done. And then we have fishes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. And then we also have the panda puzzle. So here we have the sun, we have the panda that's holding the bamboo, we have the bamboo that's growing here, and then we also have the small butterfly. Amazing. We've completed the wild animal board, the numbers, and the panda puzzle. Congratulations, good job. See you in the next video. And today we're gonna learn about the shapes, and we're also gonna solve the tiger puzzle. Look, we have a tiger, the flower, the butterfly, and the hedgehog. And we also have a rainbow. So let's start. Oh, so right now we need to find the shapes and the puzzle pieces. So let's start with the puzzle first. Okay, so on the puzzle we had a tiger, and the tiger was orange color. So let's find the orange color puzzle pieces. Okay, so let's turn around them and see. And we don't have the orange color pieces, then let's put aside. So this one does not have, so let's put aside. Then take another one and see if there is the tiger here. Can you see? Yes, here is the tail of the tiger. Great. Let's take another one and turn it. Here is another part of the tiger, orange one. Great. Let's take another. Okay, I see here is another part of the tiger. Okay, good job. And let's take another one and see. Yes, well done. We have the tiger. And another. Let's take another one. I think we already looked at this one. So let's take next one. So the next one we have. Yes, here is the orange color of the tiger. Look, and there is another. Here is another part of the tiger. Great. Let's take this one and see. I think it's the face of the tiger. Can you see the smiley face? Yay. So, and then the next one. Let's see. Start. Okay, here's the butterfly. But what we see here is the part of the tiger, the leg. Great. Let's take another. I think it's the ear of the tiger. Okay. And here is another one. Okay, here is the ear and the rainbow of the tiger. Great. And let's look at this one. What we have here. Oh, it's a face of the tiger. Okay. And then another one. It's a leg of the tiger and the hedgehog. Okay, so what we've done now, we found all the puzzle pieces that we need to combine. And we also left with two other puzzle pieces that we're gonna place at the end, right? So, oh, wait, we have here the part of the tiger actually. Great. So I think we only left with one puzzle piece where we kind of don't know if there's the orange color of the tiger, but still this puzzle piece belongs to this puzzle. Anyways, let's start with this puzzle piece. So first what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine the face like this. Okay, great, we have the tiger face. And then we're gonna place it in the middle of the puzzle, like this. And then we have this puzzle piece where we have the ear of the tiger with the stripes. Okay, let's place it. Great. And then let's take another. Here is another ear, the right one ear, and the stripes of the tiger. So we can place it right here. Great. And then let's work on the body, right? So let's work on the body and see how we can connect them. So here we have the tail. So let's place the tail maybe here. And then another part of the tiger. The bottom part, I think. Or it could be the top part. We don't know. So if we're gonna move this here and have it like this, does it seems to be right? Okay. So then let's take this one. Where is the leg, the part of the leg, and place it here. And I think this one would belong also here. So we have the hedgehog. And what we need to do is that here is the part of the hedgehog and here is the hedgehog. So it's easy to combine like this. So we need to find the body part of this one. And it might be the part where there is a lot of black stripes. So let's try. And yes, well done. So let's then take other part with the tree. And I think it's the back of the tiger, right? Let's place it like this. Great. And then we have the leg, right? So maybe let's try to place it. Maybe we need to change like this. But then the hedgehog is not going to be seen, right? So we need to leave it and maybe place it this one right here. So yeah, it seems to be working well because here we combine the butterfly. And then we have other part of the tiger. And here we have the small part of the flower, the red one. So place it like this. Great. And here we have other part of the tiger, the leg and the flower. And there is a small part of the white flower. So let's place it like this. Well done. And then what we need to do, we need to center this puzzle like this. Great. And then let's take the rainbow. Can you see the rainbow? Right. And where we can place the rainbow? Yes, we can place it right here. Amazing. And we only left with last puzzle piece. And what we need to do, I think we need to rotate and try to place. But you can see it's a different puzzle piece. So what we need at the moment is to rotate and see where's the other part of the rainbow. Okay, it seems to me that this is the other part of the rainbow that goes through trees. So let's try. And well done. Amazing. We completed the tiger puzzle. So we have the tiger, the rainbow, the mountains, the trees, flowers, the hedgehog, and the butterfly. Amazing. So let's continue with the shapes. So we're gonna do same with the shapes. We're gonna try to find the shapes and stack them. So here is the pole, right? And we need to find one hole here, this one. So you see, orange shape, and it has one hole. So this one has one hole and this one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna place like this. Great. And then let's pick others and count. So this one was 1, 2, 3, and last one, 4. Great, we found all orange shapes. So what we need to look right now for is for 2 holes. So the shape should have 2 holes. How many holes this shape has? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But we need 2 holes. So if you look at this yellow shape, it has 1, 2. Great. Let's take this shape and let's place it where we have 2 holes. Here we have 1, 2, 3. And here we have 1 and 2. And here we have 1 and 2. So let's do it together. Great. Let's take next one and place it. And yes, well done. And then another one gonna be this one. So let's take it. Amazing. And then next one. Yes. So let's count them together. So it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great. So the next one, what we need to find is 3 holes. So can you see the 3 holes? Does the shape has 3 holes? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has 4 holes, but we need 3. Does the shape has 3 holes? 1, 2, and 3. Great, well done. So we're gonna take this and place it here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's a green color shape. Great. So the next one we need to find is 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is this shape has 4 holes? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we need 4. Is this one has 4 holes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. And where we need to place this? Here. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And which color is this? Yes, it's a blue color. Great. So last one, what we need to find is 5 holes. And we only left with 4 shapes here. And they all are similar. So they all are red shapes and they all of them has 5 holes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing. So let's then take them and place it on a board. And let's count together. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. Amazing. So we've completed the shapes and the puzzle. And here we have the orange shape and it has 1 hole. Here we have yellow shape and it has 2 holes. 1, 2. Here we have green shape and it has 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. And here we have blue shape and it has 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one has how many holes? Yes, you're right, 5 holes. So we need to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done, we've completed the tiger puzzle and the shape puzzle. See you in the next video. And today we're gonna solve the puzzle about 2 dogs, and this puzzle is called Be Kind. Okay, let's start. Let's open the puzzle. And it is Paw Patrol. Yay! So let's open it and see. Okay, great. And let's start with searching for the corner puzzle piece, right? So that's what we're gonna start with. So that we have, this is the first corner puzzle piece, right? So we have another corner puzzle piece, so it's a corner, right? We need to find another. Oh, it's the third one. Great. And there is the, fourth one. So we found 4 corner puzzle pieces. And let's look at the image and see where we can place them. So here we have a butterfly, and butterfly is on the top right corner. So we're gonna place it here. And this one is on the top too. So here we have the flower, right? It's there behind the Paw Patrol. So let's place it here. Okay, and then we have the letter B. So here is the B letter, be kind, so B, right? So we're gonna place it here, and then another corner piece we're gonna place at the bottom right corner. So first what we're gonna do, we have the word be kind at the bottom. So let's try to find the puzzle pieces for the word be kind. So we need to find E, K, I, N, and D letters. So let's start to search for them. So there's the E letter, right? So let's turn around all of them one by one and see where the other words. Can you see the other puzzle pieces that have the words? I can see them. So there is the first one, the second one. Let's take them and let's place them here and then continue our discovery. So let's turn around this one, right? So there is, okay, there is also, this one is the letter, this one, and this one. Let's take them all together and let's move them to our puzzle. Okay, so we have a lot of letters here, right? Okay, let's start with the letter B. So there's the B, part of the B here, and E, right? So we can combine them like this. Great. And let's take the next letter. So what next letter we have here is letter K. Okay, and here we have the letter K here. So we can combine it like this. Great. And after K, what letter we have? Letter I. So it's be kind. So it's letter I. Let's connect them. Yes. Great. And the last letter we have is the letter D. So let's connect. Yes, we have be kind. Let's take this one. So it's a part of the D letter. And let's combine like this. Great. Let's take another one. And here we have the letter K and the letter I. So we can connect like this. Great. And another, we have letter E, right? So letter E goes here. So there is the heart and letter E and K. Great. Let's connect them. And another one, what we have here is letter N, right? N. So we're gonna connect like this. Great. Amazing. And the last one gonna be for the letter B, the part. Let's connect. Yes, so we completed the be kind. So if you look at the package, you see that there's be kind, and we just completed the be kind by finding the puzzle pieces for all the letters. So that's what we were focused on. And right now, what we're gonna be focused is that we're gonna focus on that side puzzle pieces. So we're gonna go like this, right? So let's start. So here we have the side puzzle piece. Let's try to find the side puzzle piece. Is there where we have one side like this, right? So we need to find all the side puzzle pieces, right? This one is the side puzzle piece. This one is the side, right? This one with the heart, the side puzzle piece, another side puzzle piece. Maybe let's take this one is the side puzzle piece, and this one, this. Can you see any others? I can see. So there is another one, right? Can you see any more? No, there is no any. So let's start. So here we have the part of the bow, and here is the part of the bow. So let's try to connect them like this. Great. And next one, what we have, if we look at the image, we have here the mouth and the heart, right? So here is the mouth and there is the heart. So let's try to go. So here is the heart and here is the mouth. Let's connect. Great. You're doing amazing. And let's then take our eye. And if we look at the package, we can see that there is the eye and then it starts the rainbow, right? So we're gonna take the eye and connect. Great. You're doing amazing. So the next one thing's gonna be about the rainbow. So let's think which the next puzzle we should take. So there is two puzzle pieces that represents the rainbow, but which one gonna work? So we're gonna try to test. Is it this one? Yeah, it goes pretty well, so it's this one, correct. And then let's take our corner puzzle piece, right? Like this. Great. So let's then think about the top side puzzle pieces. What could be on the top? So on the top we could see that there is the rainbow on the top, right? The orange color. So let's take the puzzle pieces with the rainbow like this and let's try to connect, right? So let's try this one. So here we have a flower, here we have a rainbow. So here also we have a flower. Let's connect like that. Great. And let's take the next one, rainbow. So maybe it's this one. Let's try. Great. And we just need to find the puzzle piece that would connect the butterfly and the rainbow. And I think it's this one because here we have the wings of the butterfly and a part of the rainbow. So let's try to connect them together like this. Amazing, we completed the top puzzle pieces. And we just need to complete this side, right? So if you look at the package, we can see that goes from the top to the bottom, from butterfly till the legs of the dog, right? Let's try to find them. And where we're gonna start, it's gonna be the legs of the dog. So if we look, here is the heart and here is the legs of the dog. And if we're gonna look at the package, here is also the heart and legs of the dog. So let's try to combine like this. Great. And let's then take another one. And next one, what we're gonna take, gonna be the butterfly, because the butterfly would be easy to connect. So we need to find the parts of the butterfly, right? And there is the small parts of the butterfly that we could connect. And let's try, press softly, great. And then we have the ending of the rainbow here. So then starts the ear of the dog. Let's take it like this and place and press, great. And the last one, side puzzle, because we don't have any more side puzzle pieces here, then last one would be this one. So let's connect like this. Great, we've connected the puzzle pieces here. So we connected the right side puzzle pieces, the top, the left, and the bottom. So right now we're gonna work in the middle of the puzzle piece. And where we're gonna start to work is by connecting the side puzzle pieces with those puzzle pieces that needs to be found and connected. So let's try this one. Here's the eye of the dog, and here we can see that there is the eye of the dog. So let's try to connect. Great, amazing. And let's then try to find the badge of the dog. So you can see there is the badge, and if you look at the package, we also have here like a small badge, right? And here we have a small badge. So let's try to connect down here, right? And let's do it. Great, amazing. And let's then work through. So then we have a paw of the dog. So let's look at this one. Here we also have the paw of the dog. Here we have a mouth of the dog, right? And let's try to connect like this. Yes, works pretty well. And the next one is the face of the second dog, right? Here is the mouth. And if we look in the package again, if I go back to the package, we could see that there is the mouth and there is the eyes, right? So we're gonna take this and we're gonna try to combine. Yes, goes really well. And then we're gonna take the second eye of the dog. And here's the eye, and here's the part of that. Yes, great. And the last one gonna be the claws and the badge of the dog. So here's the parts of the dog, and here it's missing, right? So we're gonna try to connect. Yes, you're doing really well. And the next one gonna be, we're gonna start with the helmets, with the heads of the dog. So here is the one piece, and here is the another. So here is the part of the dog, and here is the head of the dog, right? So we're gonna connect. Yes, really good. And then we have another head of the dog and ear. So let's try to connect like this. Amazing. And we are only left with 3 puzzle pieces for the rainbow. So let's take them together and let's see where we can place them. So this one we can do, maybe we can do like this. No, because we have here different colors. So if we're gonna turn around and we're gonna press it softly, then yes, it works. And if we're gonna take this one and we're gonna place it on the right side, try it, yes, it works. And another one, what we need to do here, we need to turn around because the white thing is closing, right? So we need to press like this, and we completed the wall puzzle. And this puzzle is called Be Kind. So we started with the corner pieces, this one, right? Then we tried to find all the side puzzle pieces. And after we completed the border of this puzzle, we started to go through one by one through each dog, and then the last that we've completed was the rainbow. And we've done this really good. Well done, congratulations, amazing.
Thank you, kids. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.